The Brilliant Actor award goes to Ahan Pandey.
Woo!
Our favorite.
India has a new heartthrob with Sayyara. He delivered a debut performance that was instinctive, nuanced, and utterly compelling. He is the breakthrough star who has captured the industry's imagination and signaled the arrival of a major new force in contemporary cinema for redefining the rules of the debut. The NDTV Indian of the Year, Debutant Actor of the Year is Ahan Pandey.
What a smashing debut, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a warm round of applause as we welcome our debutant of the year, Ahan Pandey. Ahan, come.
Rahul, you can call Shalini also. You can call Shalini also.
What?
We have Miss Pasi also on stage. Congratulations, Ahan. If you could stay on stage, my colleague's going to be with you shortly.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the man everyone's talking about, everyone's new favorite face, the rising star of Bollywood, Ahan Pandey. Huge round of applause for Ahan. Ahan, this way, please.
Sorry, ma'am.
Congratulations on the award and congratulations on the
Give me hand.
incredible love
Thank you so
for
much. Thank
Sayyara.
you.
First big film, first big wave. Life must feel very different now.
I actually thought I would say a few things. Is that okay if I...
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
before-
It's your moment.
Actually looking at this reminds me of the first medal I ever won when I was, a child. It was for a 100-meter race. It was a silver medal. And I remember my dadi and my mama had come to watch it. And I was very frustrated because it wasn't gold. And I went up to my dadi and I said, why didn't I win that gold? I deserve the gold. And I remember some time passed and she came back to me, my grandmother, and she told me that it's not about winning medals, it's about finding what you love and putting all your heart into it. And she said that if on that journey you do win a medal, then you go up on a stage, you put on a smile, and you make sure you don't give the audience a sob story. And now, some time has passed, and I'm standing here in front of all of y'all with this in my hand, with only one single silver medal to my name. And I know I owe this to Mohit Suri, Aneet Padda, my wonderful co-actress, the whole team of Sayyara, Sumanna, Sankalp, all of you all were wonderful, but I know I owe this to my grandmother. She's not here anymore. She's somewhere up there in the Milky Way, beyond the galaxy. But I know she's dancing because I found my calling, and this might look like silver to you guys, but I won my gold. So thank you.
She'd be so proud of you, Ahan. That was
thank
such
you.
a sweet story. मेरा आपसे सबसे पहला सवाल Ahan ये है
जी.
कि what was that first big moment for you when you felt that okay, this is really happening?
Honestly, it took me a very long time to have that moment. समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मुझे कि मेरे साथ हो रहा है. And I think the first time was when a dear friend of mine, whose father is actually paralyzed from the legs, actually went all the way to the cinemas to watch the movie. And I think when I heard that, it instilled something inside me, It made me feel like I have a purpose as an artist, and there's so much more I can do and I can make people feel. So I would say that was that moment.
And Sayara just took over the internet. Social media पर everybody was making reels. आपने जब audience का reaction देखा after the release of Sayara, how did you feel in that moment as an actor and also as a human being, you know, on a personal, deeper level? What were your emotions like?
Okay, actually, I'll tell you a story on set. You know, Aneet and I were sitting and shoot खत्म हो रही थी. 2 या 3 दिन बचे थे. हम बीच पे थे गोवा में. और I remember telling her कि, you know, where no one knows my face, nobody knows your face, even though she had done phenomenal work before, you know.
Yeah.
We weren't recognizable faces. And I remember I told her that whatever happens, all that matters is that one person leaves the cinema hall feeling something. Then we've done our job as artists. And to be honest, the cinema halls weren't empty. The audiences, by the grace of God and a gift from them, they flocked to the audiences. And that's the dream of an artist, you know.
Yes.
To be appreciated for your work. So I couldn't have asked for a better debut.
I think everyone absolutely loved your performance in the film. यहाँ पर I am hoping कि सभी ने सैयारा देखी है, right? सभी ने देखी है. तो सैयारा में एक आपका डायलॉग है कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर कोई बोले कृष कपूर वी लव यू, एंड आई थिंक आपकी परफॉर्मेंस देखने के बाद एवरीबडी वाज सेइंग आहान पांडे वी लव यू, एंड हाउ डज दैट मेक यू फील?
No, you're too kind. That's very sweet, and it made me really happy. But I'm truly overwhelmed with the love. You know, as you can see, you know, it's a lot.
course.
You know, for a new actor, for a debut actor, it's the first time. It's probably the, you know, apart from theater and school, this is like the 3rd time I'm on a stage. So.
And he
you know.
is emotional right now, and I can
Yeah,
see
no,
it,
it is.
Ahan.
It
Please
means a
तालियां
lot.
हो जाए Ahan के लिए. A loud cheer for Ahan. पहली ही फिल्म से Ahan, मतलब ये एक डेब्यू नहीं, ये एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिगिनिंग थी, विच इज़ सो रेयर एंड स्पेशल. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टर्स को नहीं देखा कि पहली फिल्म से ही इतना ऑडियंस का प्यार मिले, इतना सक्सेस मिले. पर यहाँ तक पहुँचने में, अभी तक की आपकी जर्नी में, व्हाट वाज द टफेस्ट पार्ट?
There wasn't anything tough, ma'am. Like I said in the speech, this has been my passion since I was a child, and I have enjoyed every bit of it. I've had the ups and downs, which any artist, any person in any industry has, and I just enjoyed it. You know, I loved every part of it. I never had a low moment.
एंड आई एम श्योर आपके फैंस इंतजार कर रहे हैं आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म का भी. तो स्पिल द बीन्स, कुछ बताइए आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में.
It's a Ali Abbas Zafar film.
Okay.
It's, I don't know if I should say too much, should I? My team's right here, you know. I can imagine them like saying, you know.
जस्ट इग्नोर देम, डोंट फील दैट प्रेशर.
No, but
कुछ तो अपने फैंस को आपको आज बताना ही पड़ेगा,
no,
बिकॉज वी
but
आर
you know,
ऑल वेटिंग
all
टू
I
सी
could
यू इन
say
योर
is
नेक्स्ट
that
फिल्म.
I begin rolling very soon in a couple of months. It's an action film, and
एक्शन फिल्m.
and you know it's where it's being led by 3 people who are under the age of 30. So you know it's something that's not been done for a very long time, and I think the rest maybe the audience will have to wait for it.
हाँ, ओके. तो कब तक आपकी नेक्स्ट फिल्म आने वाली है, और इस नई फिल्म में आपका हम लुक कितना डिफरेंट देखेंगे, क्या शेड नजर आएगा यहाँ पर आपके परफॉर्मेंस
I
में?
wish I could tell you that, but I
अच्छा,
can't.
ओके. तो मतलब अभी हमें वेट ही करना
But ma'am,
पड़ेगा.
maybe you should call my director next year and he can tell you.
You can
Sure.
still scenes. It's not like a few million people are watching on NBC.
हाँ कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा,
No,
एक
but-
और सवाल मेरा
yes.
आपसे था कि लाइक हाइपोथेटिकली अगर आज आपको एक बार फिर से लॉन्च होना हो, तो वो कौन सी एक्ट्रेस होगी जिसके साथ आप लॉन्च होना पसंद करेंगे, आपको एक्साइटिंग लगेगा?
I think only Aneet.
ओनली अनीत. ओके, इस बात पे तालियां बननी चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स आपकी केमिस्ट्री फिल्म में इट वाज इनक्रेडिबल, एवरीवन लव्ड इट. और अपने सेट पर एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताइए, सिंस अनीत इज नॉट हियर विद अस. कैसा रहा अनीत के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस?
I mean, she used to get very annoyed. I used to keep saying कि मैं उम्र में सीनियर हूँ, पर टैलेंट और काबिलियत में अनीत मुझसे बहुत सीनियर है. She's phenomenal, and she is just a mammoth of talent. You know, even on set when you see her, she's just so much to learn. You know, from her. So, I learned so much from Aneet, and I owe a lot to her. And my growth on Sayara, I owe it to Mohit Suri, but also Aneet Patta.
ग्रेट। और अब मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि इस अवार्ड को मिलने के बाद आप सेलिब्रेट कैसे करने वाले हैं? वुड यू लाइक टू सेलिब्रेट विद अस?
I would love to, but my team is going to take me home, so.
ऑल राइट। लेकिन चलते चलते अपने फैंस के लिए, हम सभी ऑडियंस के लिए, अगर सैयारा का कोई डायलॉग आप हमारे लिए बोल सके, वुड बी ग्रेट।
I can. Which dialogue? Is there a specific one you would like?
You decide your favorite dialogue from the film.
There's that one moment, no, the hand holding moment. I think that's the
Yeah.
only dialogue.
अभी कुछ
But
पल बाकी
हाँ,
हैं।
अभी भी कुछ पल बाकी है मेरे पास।
अच्छे से करते हैं एक बार इस सीन को, आई थिंक।
अच्छा, और आप रोलिंग
और
कैमरा बोल
अच्छे
दो
से,
फिर।
लाइक कैरेक्टर में
अब आ
आके
जाओ,
बिल्कुल।
डायरेक्टर बन जाओ। हाँ?
अच्छा मैं
Malika, turn into the actress for the
ओके
scene.
ठीक है।
Also, actually, if I could take a moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. I actually wanted to. This is a sticker of Aneet.
Oh
Aneet Vadda.
wow.
Could you help me put it?
Yeah.
Wonderful. So Aneet is not here with us today, but
This says would have been here but exams.
exams, yes. And actually, Aneet is supposedly getting the same award in the female category, and she actually had something to say. So she sent a little note, if I
Oh,
could read
wow,
out.
lovely.
And
Please go
just give me a second. Okay, so this is from Aneet Padda. Good evening, everyone. Unfortunately, I couldn't be here tonight, but fortunately, Ahan lost a bet, so he's lending me his voice. I'm hoping the sticker is doing enough to convince you I'm somewhere nearby. He did win one bet, unfortunately, so you won't hear his high-pitched Aneet voice tonight, even though it's alarmingly good. I grew up far away from sets and spotlights, with no map for how a life like this is built. Just a feeling that wouldn't leave me alone. That there was something I wanted to say even before I knew how to say it. Cinema gave that feeling a language, love gave it a reason, and this year, those two met. Through Mohit Suri's magic, through Akshay Vidhani taking a chance on a film, and on two imperfect, unconventional kids, through Adi Sir's faith and the legacy he continues to build with such integrity and love. Through Sumanna Ghosh and Shanu Sharma's vision, and through everyone who chose to sit and feel Sayara with us. Thank you, NDTV, for this honor, for seeing me. To my mom, dad, sister, my dadi and my home, my dadu who taught me the language of love, thank you for giving me pieces of you. I carry them and I return to them when I feel lost. Thank you, Nitya Mehra and Karan Kapadia, for making space for me and showing me how to take space. And thank you, Babaji, for this beautiful, mysterious life. I promise to keep feeling honestly and passing it on in the smallest way I know how, through a look, a line, a moment on a movie screen. And I promise to never forget that somewhere someone is sitting alone with a dream, wondering if it's enough. And I promise that it is. Aneet Padda, ladies and gentlemen. I hope her award reaches her house.
That was so sweet, Ahan. So back to our Sayara moment.
Yes, sure. Come.
Can we have this Sayara song?
Could we have a
please?
volunteer actually?
Huh?
We'll have a volunteer. No?
I don't mind
You?
if you
Wonderful.
don't mind.
Okay.
Right there, the diva
Of course you
herself.
wouldn't mind.
Can we have the music, please?
Maybe we can have the crowd sing the song. Does anybody want to volunteer?
Yeah, anybody wants. All right. So, all right. I have to come.
You have to walk there. Walk that way. अभी भी कुछ पल बाकी है मेरे पास.
Wow. Thank you, Ahan.
Thank you.
That was beautiful.
Yes,
Thank
but-
you so much.
my
We
God.
wish you all the luck and success, Ahan. Thank you so much. Big round of applause for Ahan Pandey.
Thank you.